About a month ago, I launched a service called Rate by Fresh, where I provide personalized aesthetic advice to help individuals maximize their looks, ultimately creating a tailored plan that I refer to as an aesthetic blueprint. Initially, I expected this launch to be modest, anticipating perhaps 5 to 10 sales. My goal was to create a meaningful learning experience, allowing me to understand my audience's needs better and refine my advice. However, what I didn't expect was the overwhelming response. Over 100 of you ended up purchasing these blueprints, leading me to spend the next month and hundreds of hours grinding them out. To say it was overwhelming would be an understatement. In fact, I had to raise the price multiple times just to manage the flood of sales. My initial estimated time of arrival, ETA, for delivering these plans was 1 to 3 days, but it ended up taking me an embarrassingly long time to get any orders out. Some of the reviews highlighted this delay, which was a learning experience for me. Despite the challenges, I gained invaluable insights into my audience and their needs. Today, I want to use this video to share some tips on creating your own aesthetic blueprint because I truly believe that a personalized approach is by far the best way to get results. So, let's dive into what I've learned after spending a month creating blueprints for others. Number 1. Foundation. First and foremost, you need a strong foundation. If you're overweight and carrying a lot of body fat, focusing on building a perfect wardrobe or finding the ideal hairstyle can be counterproductive. There's a hierarchy in the Looksmaxxing ladder, and I firmly believe that the foundation of it all is achieving a body fat percentage that allows your features to shine through. Now, I'm not saying you need to reach a drastic 7% body fat or have every muscle striation visible. What matters is finding a healthy balance that suits you and highlights your natural features. Number 2, body fat. Moving on to body fat, it's essential to recognize that people are built differently. Some individuals, believe it or not, look better with a little extra weight, as a layer of fat can enhance their muscular appearance. Think of someone like B-Mode God. His physique demonstrates that not everyone benefits from a super lean body. On the flip side, some guys might find that going too low in body fat can make them look worse. A common example is the orbital bones, which can create deep dark circles under the eyes if you're too skinny. Remember, don't use this as an excuse to indulge in junk food and gain excessive weight. Instead, be mindful of what body fat level allows you to look and feel your best. Number 3, balance. Next is balance. It's vital to learn how to balance out your features. A common issue I've observed is hairline thinning, which many guys experience. If your hairline is thinning, consider going for a hairstyle that incorporates a fringe rather than brushing your hair back or parting it. If you have a prominent nose and let your hair cover your forehead, it shortens your face and can make your nose appear larger, creating an imbalance. Small adjustments like these can significantly enhance the way you look, so take time to evaluate how your features interact. Number 4. The ideal physique. Another crucial aspect is understanding the ideal physique. I often see guys who hit the gym regularly, but put little effort into balancing out their physiques. We all know that if 10 people follow the same workout routine for a year, they won't all look identical. Some may develop bigger chests and arms, while others may see greater growth in their legs. After a year of working out, you should notice that certain body parts may appear smaller than others. The key is to adjust your training routine and target those weaker areas to bring them in line with the rest of your body. It's surprising how many people follow generic training plans without personalizing them for their unique physique. Number 5, touch some grass. Now let's talk about lifestyle. The phrase, touch some grass, is more important than you might think. Your lifestyle can reflect on your appearance much more than you realize. Within moments of meeting some guys, I can often tell who spends too much time indoors, gaming all day. The telltale signs include pale skin, dark under-eye circles from poor sleep schedules, and poor posture with rolled shoulders. It's vital to evaluate how you spend your time each day and consider how it impacts your face and body. Number 6, make a vision board. Creating a vision board can be an incredibly effective tool. As someone who is very visual, I found that every single blueprint I made included a vision board. This is simply a page filled with images that represent different elements of the Looksmaxxing plan. These could be pictures of hairstyles that I believe would suit the individual or images depicting lifestyle habits to adopt, such as weightlifting or meal prepping. It might also include pictures of men who resemble them and can serve as sources of inspiration. Taking the time to browse platforms like Pinterest or Google Images and compiling a visual board can significantly clarify how you envision your new lifestyle and appearance. Number 7. Track everything. Tracking your progress is crucial. If you're serious about Looksmaxxing and want to see genuine improvements, you need to keep track of everything. For example, if you aim to lose weight and gain muscle, monitor your calorie intake to ensure you meet your caloric and macronutrient goals. If you're not seeing gains in the gym, track your lifts to ensure you are progressively overloading your muscles. For those experimenting with a skincare routine, if you aren't seeing results, stop using all products and reintroduce them one at a time to track the changes in your skin. Many guys I created blueprints for claim they had been working out for years, but their results suggested otherwise. Some had dry, sensitive skin, but were using products meant for oily skin, which worsened their condition. A little effort in tracking can save you months or even years of frustration and stagnation in your progress. Number 8. Get fresh eyes. We see ourselves every day, which can make it challenging to objectively judge our own appearance. That's where getting a fresh perspective can be beneficial. This is one of the significant advantages of having a total stranger create your blueprint. They are less likely to sugarcoat their observations. However, if you have honest friends or family, asking them for their thoughts on your appearance can also provide valuable insights. Number 9. The future of aesthetic blueprints. As for the future of the aesthetic blueprints, the website and service for these blueprints are still live on buyfresh.com. However, I'm uncertain how long I will continue offering them, as they consume a significant amount of my time. If sales flood in again, I'll likely raise the price once more. On the positive side, this experience has led me to develop some excellent tools that help streamline the process. I'm also working on an iOS app that will simplify creating your own blueprint, but don't expect that to be available for a while. I truly believe that once you grasp the fundamentals of Looksmaxxing, the next step is personalizing the advice, and that's the direction we're heading with our content. With all that said, these are the most important tips and advice I have for anyone looking to create their own Looksmaxxing blueprint. Good luck on your journey, and make sure to follow the channel and join the Discord community. I'll include the links below for easy access. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing your transformations.